Assalamu alaikum dear student, hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. Dear student, today I will solve an CQ of your general math exercise 2.1. This is our last question. So let's start our solution. Of 100 students, 65 passed in Bangla, 48 in both Bangla and English, and 15 failed in both the subject. Our first question: express the above in Venn diagram. First of all, I will express the above discussion in Venn diagram. So look, so this is Bangla and this is English. Our given value 48 in both Bangla and English. So this is 48 both Bangla and English. So and our given value 65 passed in Bangla. So here we see that already 48 passed in Bangla. So 17 student only passed in Bangla. So total 17 plus 48, that is 65 in passed in Bangla. And here we see that 15 failed in both the subject. So our two subjects Bangla and English. So 15 students failed in both this subject. So number of B union Bangla union English complement equal to 15. Venn diagram, number of U equal to 100, this is U. Number of B equal to 65, number of E equal to what, and number of B union E complement equal to 15. This is our expression of above discussion of this question. Now I will solve question number 2. Determine the number of students who passed only in Bangla or passed only in English. So now look, number B we have from number A. Here our given value number of B union E complement equal to 15. So number of B union E complement equal to 15. So we can write number of U minus number of B union E equal to 15. So number of U minus, this is number of B plus number of E minus number of B intersection E equal to 15. So our Venn diagrams, number of B intersection E equal to 48. Here number of u equal to 100 minus number of b 65 plus number of e what value minus 48 equal to 50. So 100 minus 65 minus n of e plus 48 equal to 50. So we can write 100 minus 65 plus 48 side sense 15 minus 15 equal to n of e, number of e. So this equal to 68 equal to number of e. So this equal to, that is number of e equal to 68. Now we have from Venn diagram we see that the students who passed only in Bangla, this equal to 70, and the student who passed only in English, that is number of e delete number of b intersection e. So this is 68 minus 48, this equal to 20. This is our answer. Number C, mention two numbers in the stream are 48 and 15. Here find the union of two sets of the prime factors of the number who have passed and failed in both subject. Here the passed both subject and failed both subject is 15. So let A and B be the sets of prime factors of 48 and 15 respectively. Now 48 equal to, finding the factors procedure of 48 is this. So here we see that number 2 and 3 are the prime factors of this 48 factors. So the set A equal to 2, 3. Again 15 equal to 1 into 15 and 3 into 5. So the set B equal to, here we see that 3 and 5 is the prime factors of 15. So 3, 5. Here our question, find the union of the two sets of the prime factors. So A union B equal to 2, 3 union 3, 5. So this equal to 2, 3, 5. This is our answer. Definition of relation: if A and B are two sets, then non-null subset R of order pair of their Cartesian product A cross B is said to be a relation from set A to B. Here the set R is a subset of the set A cross B, that is R subset of A cross B. Example, let us consider A equal to 3, 5 and B equal to 2, 4. So, if you find the relation between two set A and B, first of all you have to find cross multiplication or Cartesian product between two sets. So, A cross B equal to 3, 5 cross 2, 4. So, we can write according to Cartesian product this. So, R subset of this Cartesian product. If x is in A and y is in B is related, then the non-empty subset of order pair xy is called relation of A. Dear student, now I will give you some condition of this relation. Look, if x is greater than y, then the relation will be R equal to, here x is greater than y. So, suppose 3 is x and 2 is y. So, here we see that x is greater than y and x is greater than y, and this order pair x is greater than y. So, we take this order pair and this order pair. So, 3 2 comma 5 2 comma 5 4. This is our relation when x is greater than y, and if x is less than y, then the relation will be R equal to, here x is less than y. So, here we see that this Cartesian, this order pair set x is less than y. So, we take 3 comma 4. This is our relation according to this condition x is less than y. I think all of you are understood the relation and using condition of this relation. My dear student, now I will give you a definition of function by an example. Look, let us consider the relation between A and B for the relation y equal to x plus 2. If we put x equal to 1, then y equal to 3. If x equal to 2, then y equal to 4. And if we put x equal to 3, then y equal to 5. That is, there is exactly one value for y for each value of x. If we put x equal to 1, then our output value y equal to 3, and x and y are related to y equal to x plus 2. So, the two variables x and y are related in such a way that for each value of x there is exactly one value of y. Then y is said to be a function of x. Usually function of x is denoted by y, f of x, by capital F of x, g of x, etc. My dear student, this is example 25 of exercise 2.2. Our given value a equal to 4, 5, 6, 7 and b equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, and our relation x comma y such that x is in A and y is in A, and our condition number 1, first question, prove that sets A and B are mutually disjoint. So solution 1, given that A equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, B equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So according to the definition of disjoint set, A intersection B equal to 4, 5, 6, 7 intersection 0, 1, 2, 3. Here we see that there are no common element between two sets. So this is empty set. We know if two sets intersection between two sets, our output, if our output value is empty set, so these sets are mutually disjoint. So this is A intersection B proved. To determine power set of B, to show that number of elements of power set of B is 2 to the power n, where n is the number of element of B. Now first of all I will find the value of power set of B. So given that B set equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So P of B equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. First of all you will take one element from set B, then two element 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, then 1, 2, 1, 3, then 2, 3. You will take three elements 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 0, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then fourth element 1, 2, 3, 4 and empty set. We see that power set of B is element, the number of power set of B equal to 16. So we can write 16 equal to 2 to the power 4. 16 equal to 2 to the power 4. But our condition where n is the number of elements of B, of element B equal to number of element B equal to 4. So the number of element B equal to 4. So we can write 2 to the power n, that is n equal to 4. Number of elements of power set, number of elements of power set B satisfied the formula 2 to the power n. Satisfied the formula 2 to the power n. Question number 3. Express the relation R in tabular method and determine its domain. So first of all I will find the required relation from this initial relation. So given that R equal to x comma y such that x belongs to A, y belongs to B and y equal to x plus 1. Now we have from relation R our condition is y equal to x plus 1. Now for every x is in A, list by finding the value of values of y equal to x plus 1. So this is x, y equal to x plus 1. A equal to our set 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we put x equal to 4, then y equal to 5. If we put x equal to 5, then y equal to 6. X equal to 6, then y equal to 7. If we put x equal to 7, then y equal to 8. And y equal to 8. We see that eight is not element of A. 8 is not element of A, so that 7, 8 relation is not relation R. So our required relation is, the required relation is R equal to 4, 5, 6, 7. So the domain of R equal to, dome of R equal to first element of this relation 4, 5, 6. This is our answer. Problem 21. Universal set, our given universal set U equal to x such that x is in natural number and x odd number. A equal to x is in natural number such that 2 is less than or equal x is less than or equal 7. B equal to x is in natural number such that 3 is less than x is less than 6. C equal to x is in natural number such that x square is greater than 5 and x cube is less than 130. Number 1, express A set in tabular method. Now look, here our given universal set U equal to x is in natural number and x odd number. So given that U equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 dot dot infinity. So as per STEM, we can write A equal to, here 2 is less than or equal x is less than or equal 7. So 3, 5, 7. This is our answer. Problem B, determine A complement and C delete B. Now our given value given that U equal to x is in natural number and x odd natural number. So U equal to our odd natural number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 dot infinity, and A equal to, we see that x is in natural number or equal x or less than or equal 7, and x is in odd natural number. So A equal to 3, 5, 7. So A complement equal to universal set minus A. So our universal set 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 dot dot 3, 5, 7. So 3, 5, 7 delete from this part. So we can write 1, 9, 11, 13, infinity. This is our answer. C equal to x is in natural number such that x square is greater than 5 and x cube is less than 130. So according to condition, if we put x equal to 1, then 1 square equal to 1 is greater than 5, is not greater than 5, and 1 cube equal to 1 is less than 130. If we put x equal to 3, then 3 square equal to 9 is greater than 5, and 3 cube equal to 27 is less than 130. If we put x equal to 5, then 5 square equal to 25 is greater than 5, and 5 cube equal to 125 is less than 130. If we put x equal to 7, then 7 square equal to 49 is greater than 5, and 43 is not less than 130. So we are see that if x equal to 3 and x equal to 5, then the condition will be satisfied. So our C set equal to 3 and 5, and B set equal to here x is in n and x is in odd number. So B set equal to 5. Here 3 is less than x is less than 6. So our odd number is 5. So B set equal to 5. Now C delete B equal to C set delete B set, that is 5. So C delete B equal to 3. This is our answer. Number C, determine B cross C and power set of A intersection B. Solution C number, we have from B and A, B equal to 5 and C equal to 3 5 and A equal to 3 5 7. Now first of all I will find the value of B cross C. Now look, B cross C equal to here 5 cross C, that means 3 5. This is Cartesian product, so 5 3 and 5 5. This is our answer. First of all I will find the value of A intersection C. So A intersection C equal to here 3 5 7 and intersection C's value is 3 5. So A intersection C, that is 3 5. So the powers, the subset of A intersection C, that is 3 5 3 5 and empty set. This is our answer.